Good morning, everyone. I am Shabina Fatma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about DNA modifying enzymes. So let's begin. So there are various enzymes which are manipulative in nature, like nucleases, ligases, polymerases, modifying enzymes. So the enzymes which are used for shorten the DNA fragment, they are nucleases. Means they cut or otherwise makes the nucleic acid molecules short. Other enzymes are ligases. They join the nucleic acid molecules. Polymerases make copies of molecules. They are used for making copies. Modifying enzymes, they add or remove any chemical groups. For example, they can add phosphate group or remove it. Means they are like adding or remove. They are used for adding or removing the chemical groups. So nucleases. There are two kinds of nucleases. What we say कि nucleases, they cut or shorten the DNA molecule. So how can they cut it? How can they cut the DNA molecule? So there are of basically two types: exonucleases and endonucleases. Means exonucleases, they remove the nucleotides from the end of the DNA molecules, but the endonucleases, they cut the DNA fragments in between. Like BAL31, it is one of the enzyme exonuclease. It comes from the bacteria Alteromonas aspergillus. It is example of exonuclease. Means it cuts the DNA fragments from the corners only, not in between. Exonuclease, whenever they cut, they always cut from the end. So the cleavage is done from the ends only in case of exonuclease. But in cases of endonucleases, the cut is always done. The cut is always done in between. You can see there are many small fragments, and these endonucleases, they cut the DNA in between, not from the end but in between. And this BL31, this enzyme, it is an example of exonuclease. So it always cuts from the corner side, not in the middle but from the corner side. And this exonuclease 3, it always cuts the nucleotide sequence from the 3' end only, from the 3' end. This S1 nuclease, it is also an example of endonuclease. So it cuts the DNA fragment, so it cuts the nucleotide sequence in between. DNase is whenever, and you can recognize the name of the enzyme, it always end with ase. So DNase means it is an enzyme, it cuts the DNA in between. And DNA is used for single stranded, for the cutting of single stranded DNA, as well as for the cutting of double stranded DNA. It works for both. And this restriction endonuclease, here is the name endonuclease, so it cuts the DNA in between. So there are various DNA modifying enzymes also. Means they are basically for the addition or removal of chemical groups, like this alkaline phosphatase, it removes the phosphate group. Then the next example, polynucleotide kinase, it is used for the addition of phosphate group. Alkaline phosphatase removes the phosphate group. Polynucleotide kinase addition of phosphate group. Terminal deoxynucleotidyl transferase adds one or more deoxyribonucleotides. Then the next enzyme, that is type 2 restriction endonuclease. They always cut the DNA at specific nucleotide sequence. Means these enzymes recognize the specific site and they cut at that particular site only. They will never cut at any other point, at any other segment of DNA. They cut at that specific DNA sequence. Like for example, PVU2 cuts at a different hexanucleotide, that is means whenever they see this sequence CAGCTG, they will cut at they will cut there only, not at any other places. Like SAU3A. This enzyme comes from the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus strain 3A, recognizes GATC. ALU1 cuts at AGCT. Means these every enzyme has different recognition site. They cut at that particular sequence. Here's the table. Like the enzyme EcoR1 comes from the bacteria Escherichia coli. Its recognition sequence is this GAATTC. They cut at this particular sequence only. Like the TAG1, which comes from the bacteria Thermus aquaticus. Its recognition sequence is TCGA. And when they cut, they can make the blunt ends or the sticky ends. Like many restriction endonuclease, when they cut, they can make the blunt end or they can make the sticky end. Like PVU2 and ALU1, they are blunt end cutters, but others are they created the sticky ends. So friends, this is all about some of the DNA manipulative enzymes. Like the nucleases, they shorten the DNA. I can recall some of the points. Like nucleases, they shorten the DNA fragments by cut at a specific sequences. They are of two types, that is endonucleases and exonucleases. When they cut the DNA in between, they are endonucleases, and when they cut the DNA from the corner side, they are exonucleases. Like BAL3, that enzyme, they are exonucleases. Some are endonucleases, like S1 nuclease, they are endonucleases. DNAs, endonucleases. Then ligases, these are the enzymes used for the addition of DNA. Like then they means ligases, they join nucleic acid molecules together. Then polymerases, they make copies of DNA. So these are some of the DNA manipulative enzymes. So friends, this is all about the DNA manipulative enzymes. If you like the video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.